one of the things that Vodafone has done is we launched the distributed digital identity platform, which allows to create a unique identifier for any IoT device that combines the identity of a SIM card with the identity of a device with any other identifier that a particular industry wants to bring, for example, an aviation drone ID. In combination, this unique identity is set up in a decentralized fashion, and at any point it can be referenced and a device can be validated and authorized to do whatever it needs to do. Vodafone has been active in the drones exploration space since 2016. So for the last 5 years, a lot of effort has gone into developing different enablers for the drones. And Vodafone has explored some of the areas around location. So for example, it has a radio positioning systems technology which allows using 5G positioning and cellular network positioning as a backup for some of the GPS capabilities that many drones already have. Vodafone has invested a lot in trials around the capabilities for drones with different partners, and some of the latest ones, for example, the partnership with Ericsson that we announced last year, looks at exploring the cell sites and gathering intelligence around the cell sites, which basically creates a digital twin of a site and allows you to monitor and create predictive analytics and all sorts of interesting things. But now the new thing that we're very keen to explore in the drone space is the creation of a unique identity. So working closely with the aviation authorities, we're looking to kind of create something that can be used for command and control, where at any point in time you know what exactly the drone is, who it belongs to, because you have clear knowledge of the identities for these drones. And at any point you can authorize drone or not authorize drone to fly in a particular location, for example. So once you start combining all of the technologies that Vodafone has explored in the previous couple of years, you start coming up with some properly unique, interesting use cases where you know exactly what the drone is, you know exactly where it is, and you know exactly what it's allowed to do in that particular area. And most importantly, what mobile networks allow to do is to dynamically change all of this information. So at any point in time, if a situation on the ground changes and suddenly a no-flight zone is created in a particular geographical location, suddenly you can reroute the drone and create a new route, a new path, and dynamically understand where a drone is allowed to fly and where it isn't. So there's a lot of exciting things that are happening in Vodafone right now, and we're really looking forward to finding new partners to work in this space, because now this combination of new technologies of the cellular, location, identity, AI and so on creates the new opportunities that we are very keen to help enable.